Are you tired of hunting down duplicate entries in your Monday.com boards, feeling frustrated when information gets repeated and cluttered? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily identify duplicates in Monday.com using powerful marketplace apps. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep your boards neat and organized, ensuring everyone on your team is working from clean, reliable data. Let's jump straight in. First up, you'll want to head over to the Monday.com app marketplace. This is where you'll find extra tools designed to boost Monday.com's features and make your workflow smoother. If you're new to the marketplace, think of it as the Monday.com version of an app store, a place packed with clever add-ons. Once you're there, type keywords like duplicates and uniques or smart column in the search bar. Apps like these are purpose-built to spot repeated data and can seriously streamline your board management. Take your time scanning the app descriptions and reviews. Remember, you want one that fits your unique needs and feels trustworthy. Once you choose your app, installing it is straightforward. Just follow the prompts and add it to your specific board, the one where you suspect those duplicate entries might be hiding. If you're working with multiple boards, be sure to pick the right one. Sometimes it helps to double-check which workspace and project you're in, especially if you're juggling a lot of Monday.com boards. After installation, the app might ask for permissions. These are needed so the tool can do its job scanning your data. Now, let's talk about configuring the app. This is a crucial step, and it's where you get to tell the app exactly which columns to focus on when searching for duplicates. For example, you might want to check for repeats in a client email column, or maybe in project ID if you're tracking tasks. The columns you select can make a big difference. If you only care about duplicate names, leave out other columns to narrow the search. Think of it as telling the app, here's what matters for my workflow. Take a minute to look at your board and consider which bits of info tend to get repeated. If you're not sure, try running a test with broader columns and refine from there. The magic happens in the next step, using the app's options to decide what should happen when duplicates are found. This is where you really take control. Most of these apps let you choose actions like merging duplicate items. So if you have, say, 2 tasks for the same client, you can combine the info and avoid confusion. Or maybe you'd prefer to move duplicates to a different group or folder for review, so nothing gets deleted by accident. Sometimes, especially if you're nervous about losing data, moving duplicates for manual checking is safest. Don't worry if this feels a little technical. These apps usually come with handy tutorials or sample workflows. And remember, you're not just cleaning up your board. You're laying the groundwork for faster decision-making and fewer mistakes down the road. Give the app a few moments to scan your board. On large boards, it might take a little time. If you see a lot of duplicates, don't panic. That just means you're catching issues that could slow your team down later. Take it one group at a time and let the app guide you through the merge or move process. And that's it. With these tools, identifying duplicates in Monday.com becomes easy, even satisfying. You'll keep your workspace tidy, your data trustworthy, and your team much happier. If this tutorial helped you clear up your Monday.com boards, go ahead and hit that like button. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions or if you've tried other duplicate detection apps and want to share your experience, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how you tackle organization in Monday.com. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward Monday.com guides and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.